Hey guys, this is a beautiful riverside walk. Today I just thought I'd do a chill vlog. Honestly, it's so beautiful around here. So now I'm at the bridge, obviously. To my left is like one of my favourite spots, but people are sat in it, so that's awesome. This isn't the river, by the way. This is... I don't know if this is part of the river or if this is just... I don't know. But the river is further up here, so... There's the river, guys, or whatever it is. Let's have a walk down. This is another favourite spot of mine. I came here the other day and there were actually, there were some ducks. Oh look, there's one there, I don't know if you can see it. But there were also some geese and one swan. And the swan was absolutely massive. Oh, look at those ducks. I love nature and wildlife. And look at that bank. Imagine just sitting there and having like a picnic or like camping or something. Oh, where's that swan gone? I came to see a little swan. Well, big swan. It were a big swan. Come over here, ducks. I might go to that banking. Oh yeah. I don't know if this is a good idea, walking up to a group of ducks. But I'm going to try. I want to get closer, but I don't want to disturb them. I don't want them to like go and swim away. No, come back. Why are you swimming away? No. Alright, that duck don't like me. But this one does. Where's that swan gone? I came specifically for the swan. So that duck over there has hurt my feelings. I'm talking about you. Yep, it's the swan that I saw the other day. Oh, that's so cute. Watch it attack me. Yeah, keep coming this way. Keep walking towards me. Oh, it's got something on its leg. Like a tag, like someone's tagged it. Oh god, it's walking directly towards me. I'm just gonna stand still and see how close it gets. That's it. Oh god, you know, if it just starts charging me now, I'm gonna shit myself. Oh, I want to touch it. But I don't want to die. Told you how big they were, didn't I? Oh god, it's walking towards me. I'm just gonna stay really still. Can't believe how close I am. Like, look, literally how close I am to it.
Staring into its fucking soul. I think it's just
I can't believe how close. I can't believe how close I got to it. So guys, I really hope that you enjoyed this more laid back, chill kind of vlog. If you did, please hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already, and click that bell so you get notified every time we upload a new video. Be safe, be kind, and God bless.